Are you planning to renovate your bathroom, kitchen or living room? Did you know that there is a completely natural and highly decorative coating that lasts longer than concrete and never goes out of style? And did you know that it is cheaper than laying tiles? The ecological easy Tadelakt coatings are the perfect alternative to tiles. It is very quick and easy to apply using a fascinating ancient technique that turns any surface into an incomparable work of art and significantly increases the value of your home. Your surfaces are self-cleaning, they do not form mold and always look like new, which is also perfect for all wet areas. Tiles, microcement and paints are a thing of the past. Choose smart coatings from Easy Tadelakt. 30 years of market leadership guarantee our quality. Take advantage of our spectacular flash offers today. This coating will be the jewel of your home. Visit our online store easytadelakt.com.